I'm going to get coffee before I do literally anything else. I literally came out for coffee and somehow bought myself flowers. Honestly, mornings might be my thing now.
A lot of AI video tools on the market are going to give you 10 to 15 seconds of video generation. And then when you have all your different clips, you have to stitch everything together in a video editor to create a cohesive story. Now today, I'm going to see if we can do things differently. I'm going to build an entire day in the life of an influencer in New York using Seedance 2.5 inside of CapCut Web. And I'm going to be leveraging text-to-video AI, image references, and the AI video editor workflow. Okay, to follow along, just click the link in the description and pinned comment below as always. Okay, I'm on the CapCut Web Video Studio homepage. Try Seedance 2.5, 30-second clips, and precise editing. Let's do this. First things first, I want to lock in the creative direction. I've got a few images of my character right here. So I'm going to upload this. Create a character sheet of this girl wearing different outfits in different New York environments. Okay, I've got director mode enabled. Let's submit. This is going to take things straight away over to the canvas. Okay, my output is fantastic. I've got a 3x3 grid of a bunch of different environments of my character in New York. This is great. Using the first image in the 3x3 grid, create a handheld vlog POV shot of this girl, 16:9. Okay, once again, this is perfect. So of course we're going to be generating POV camera shots. So I want to set up the start frame kind of a look. Okay, to also help out with my creative direction, I can create or pick a skill. So let's come down to skills, open this up, upload a skill or create one in the chat, or I can pick a skill. So for instance, I'm going to come down to professional and let's come down to outfit visualizer. Using this skill, please show me a few different shots of this particular shot right here. There we go, we've got the outfit visualizer skill in action. This means I can call on particular skills whenever I need them, which means less repetitive prompting, more consistent creative direction, and a workflow I can reuse across scenes and future projects. Okay, now let's move into video generation using Seedance 2.5, which can create up to 30-second generations with a single prompt. Before I do that, I actually want to use scene number 5, so I'm going to create another POV shot. Using the number 5 image in this character sheet, I want to create another POV camera shot of my character. Okay, this is perfect. I'm just going to select this image with left click, and that's going to pop it open in the chat box. And then I'm going to add my prompt next. Okay, I've got my prompt. It is fairly long and detailed. I will have all the prompts in the description below so you can have a detailed look at those.
Good morning. I'm going to get coffee before I do literally anything else. It's actually so nice out this early. Okay, now I'm awake.
Now, once I have my 30-second sequence, I can actually continue the video from where the generation ends. And I can do that twice. I can take my original 30-second clip, so this one right here, extend it to 60 seconds, and then extend that again to 90 seconds total. All right, with my new generation selected, I'm going to extend the clip right where my character leaves off.
Okay, now I'm awake. Wait, these are so cute. I literally came out for coffee and somehow bought myself flowers. Honestly, mornings might be my thing now.
Let's talk about consistency, because keeping your character consistent across multiple scenes isn't easy. That's where Seedance 2.5's multimodal reference support comes in. You can use up to 50 reference assets with a mix of images, videos, and audio. Now, in my case, I'm using all the different assets that I've created on my canvas to leverage for future generations. Particularly, I'm using image to video AI. For my creative direction, I like to start with a POV image shot of my character, so just like these two right here, and then I use those very images to essentially be the start frame of my image to video creation.
Okay, I made it. Getting here was definitely the hardest part. This is why I come late. Okay, that was rough. My legs are done. I'm gonna feel that tomorrow. We survived. I'm going home before I somehow convince myself to do cardio.
Now, if a specific part of my generation just doesn't feel right, I don't necessarily have to regenerate the entire thing. Seedance 2.5 offers more controllable, localized refinement, so you can target specific elements while preserving the rest of the scene. Okay, I've got this video selected.
Good morning. I'm going to get coffee before I do literally anything else.
Edit the video so that she's wearing black sunglasses. Keep everything else the same.
Good morning. I'm going to get coffee before I do literally anything else. Okay, now I'm awake.
I can also bring all my clips into the CapCut Web timeline, where I can add special effects, tighten the pacing, and then put together my final cinematic sequence. That means I have one consistent story from beginning to end.
Good morning. I'm going to get coffee before I do literally anything else. It's actually so nice out this early. Okay, now I'm awake. Wait, these are so cute. I literally came out for coffee and somehow bought myself flowers. Honestly, mornings might be my thing now. Okay, I made it. Getting here was definitely the hardest part. This is why I come late. Okay, that was rough. My legs are done. I'm gonna feel that tomorrow. We survived. I'm going home before I somehow convince myself to do cardio.
So overall, Seedance 2.5 inside of CapCut Web gives you a lot more flexibility than just generating individual clips. You can build out entire stories, keep your creative direction consistent with skills, and turn your generations into a finished video all in one place, all on one canvas. Now, if you want to give this workflow a try for yourself, I'll have the link in the description and pinned comment below as always. And with all that, good luck and have fun with your creations.